So students, today we will discuss on a numerical problem on electromagnetic induction. So what is the problem? What is the question? Basically, a metal disc of radius 200 centimeter is rotated at a constant angular speed of 60 radian per second in a plane at right angles to the external field of magnetic induction 0.05 Weber per meter square. Find the EMF induced between the center and a point on the ring. Means question में आपको given है कि there is a disc which is rotating with constant angular speed omega in a uniform magnetic field. Since it is rotating in a uniform magnetic field, that means it cuts the magnetic field lines, okay, which are in this, according to this diagram, which are inward in position. This magnetic disc cuts these magnetic field lines, and since it cuts magnetic field line, an EMF will induced. So this point, between this point and this point, we have to calculate EMF. So for EMF, formula is E equal to minus d phi over dt. Here we have to find EMF, so it is not necessary to take sign convention here. So if we remove or we avoid these signs, so we get E equal to d phi over dt, and we know this thing, phi equal to what? Phi equal to dA. So we get d phi over dt of dA. Now magnetic field, this is constant. Here B is constant. What are the data given in the question? We have given radius r equal to 200 centimeter, that is 2 meter. Second thing is given omega. Omega equal to 60 radian per second. So if omega is given, omega we can find omega equal to 2 pi f. So frequency equal to 60 upon 2 pi. This is what? This is frequency, and unit of frequency is hertz. So frequency is given, or you can say omega is given. Frequency means in 1 second how many rotation disk makes in 1 second, that is frequency. So frequency is given, and third thing is given B. So B is given, B is 0.05 Weber per meter square. So these are the data which are given in the question, and we have to calculate E. So for this we know magnetic field is constant, and this is A, dA over dt. A is area change in particular time. So now consider change in area, that disk covers area covered or traveled by disk in one revolution. एक revolution में कितना area? That is pi r square. pi is pi and r is 2 square, that is 4 pi meter square. That is area covered by this in one revolution. Again, area in 1 second. 1 second means area covered by disk in this much revolution. This is in one revolution or this much revolution. Area covered by disk in 60 upon 2 pi revolution means this is the area traveled or covered or changed, whatever you use, change we can use here, change by disk in one revolution, and this is what area covered by disk in 1 second. 1 second, how many revolution it is made? It is making 60 upon 2 pi revolution in 1 second. So we can write it area covered by disk in 60 upon 2 pi revolution. So this is the area covered by disk in one revolution, and so this is 4 pi into 60 upon 2 pi. So this is what? This is area. Basically this is area change in 1 second. So if we take here B time, we have taken 1 second, so this is 1, and this is what? Area change. So we can use here 4 pi 60 upon 2 pi. So putting all the values, B equal to 0.05 into 4 pi into 60 upon 2 pi. 2 pi, this is become 2, 0.10 into 60, that is 6 volt. This is final answer we get. So this is what? This is answer, means this is the potential difference or EMF produced between center and a point on the ring. So this is what? This is a numerical, and like this you have to solve many of the numerical.